So you're not a visual person and you're worried about what you're going to experience in hypnosis. My name's Kirsty and I'm from Boost Therapy. So I'm going to talk to you about if you're not a visual person, it's absolutely fine. You might hear me or any other hypnotist say, use your imagination. Like, imagine what this would be like. And now you're panicking because you have no imagination. What do? It's okay. It really, really is. Hypnosis is an internal experience, and you use more than just your imagination to create things, to experience things. You see, that problem of yours, that anxiety, that stress, that worry, it's not just about having images and pictures in your mind. Some people are really, really visual and they can just see things. But others are not, and that's just fine too. We're not all the same. The thing is you know what it feels like, don't you? To be anxious, to be worried, to be in that stress. You know exactly what those sensations are, what those emotions are. You know that feeling when it's coming on, when it's starting. You connect with your experience of the problem through your feeling. We are really sensual beings. We have thoughts, feelings, images, emotions, all of those sensations come together to make an experience for us. And it just depends which order those things in are for you. It doesn't mean that visual has to be at the top. You might just have a real great sense of feeling, or you trust that feeling in your gut. All of those things are things that work for you. Hypnosis is your eternal experience, not an external one, and not about creating things that weren't really there for you. You know what it feels like to be in your problem, to be in that issue. And so we use that. It's as simple as that. There is nothing here to complicate the issue anymore. Is that we together will work through your problem in the way that you experience it. I hope that's really helpful, and I hope that puts you at ease a little bit about what your experience of hypnosis might be like when you choose to work with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Send me a message if you've got a question and I can make another video about this too. Or just send me a message if you want some help right now to start feeling better.